start off tonight with one of our city's biggest trials in recent memory.
That's right. We got 2 inmates, 5 correctional officers, and another state employee charged in connection with the scandal in which the Black Guerrilla Family street gang took over the Baltimore City Detention Center.
ABC 2 News' Christian Schaefer has that story from the newsroom tonight.
Yeah, well, Jamie and Kelly, opening statements came today in federal court in Baltimore. Tavon White, the Bushman, or leader of the Black Guerrilla Family inside the Baltimore City Detention Center, will be the government's key witness in this case against those 8 defendants. Prosecutors say members of the Black Guerrilla Family street gang used sex and money to co-opt correctional officers, convincing them to smuggle drugs and cell phones into the Baltimore City Detention Center. In all, investigators charged 17 inmates and 27 correctional officers in connection with the scandal. Most have taken plea deals. The trial that started today is for the 8 who did not. 2 inmates, 5 correctional officers, and a jail kitchen worker.
There were things that went on where you'd scratch your head a little bit and say, this doesn't seem to add up. You just saw a lot of lax treatment of some of the prisoners.
Attorney Tom Moronic is not involved in the trial, but he's represented dozens of clients who spent time inside BCDC.
The rumor was that Tavon White and the Black Guerrilla Family were sort of running the jail in some capacity.
He wasn't surprised when the scandal broke, but shocked by how deep the corruption ran. BGF leader Tavon White fathered 5 children with 4 separate correctional officers.
To find out it was as bad as it was, that women had his name tattooed on them, that he had children with these women, it was just really the inmates running the asylum.
Now, White will be the star witness for the prosecution. In return, he'll get 12 years on the federal charges, but he's already serving 20 on state charges. And the sentences will run concurrently, so the deal in federal court won't add any more time behind bars. Meanwhile, there have been changes inside the Baltimore City Detention Center. A system for detecting cell phones has been added. There are more frequent and stricter searches of the cells where the inmates live, and a system with more than 200 high-definition cameras has been added.
When you look around carefully, you see it. The cameras are the big thing. And the cameras are sort of like a casino. They're the eye in the sky. They're there to monitor the employees, not per se the inmates as much.
Now, attorneys for those defendants are saying that Tavon White can be expected to lie about their clients if it's in his best interest. That trial is expected to take 2 months, and we'll have much more on the changes that have taken place inside BCDC in the past 18 months on our website, abc2news.com. Live in the newsroom, Christian Schaefer, ABC 2 News.